I have parsley and cilantro growing in my garden. It's just a small pot, but I'm gonna go take some so that I can use it for tonight's dinner. Since spring is here, I decided to make chicken with a mango sauce. The things that we're gonna need are half of a red pepper diced, half of a onion diced. You're gonna need 1 mango diced. You're gonna need a handful of parsley chopped up. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon each of oregano, cumin, black pepper, salt, and onion powder. And I'm throwing in 1 teaspoon of sazon. This is my homemade sazon. If you want to know how I made it, I have a video on it, and I will link it in the description below. We're also going to need olive oil. So we're going to drizzle some olive oil over the chicken before we put it on the grill. So we're grilling these today. So I'm just going to put some olive oil on the chicken. That's about 2 teaspoons. And I already have my grill hot, so I'm going to get ready to grill these. Okay, so we have the chicken here, and I just mixed up all the seasoning. I changed the bowl. I switched the bowl because I needed a bigger bowl. And I'm just going to put the rest of the parsley inside. Okay. So now I'm going to saute the vegetables. And then we're going to spray this part also. Today I feel like grilling because it just feels so nice outside today. I think I'm going to turn them this way so I can get some slanted grill marks. Gonna put one more. Okay. Oh, they look delicious. So this is the chicken. I let it rest for a while. And I gave it some nice grill marks. And now I'm just going to make the salsa. I have a nice mango here that I'm going to cut up into some into cube-sized pieces. And I'm going to use this for my mango sauce. Okay, so we're going to add some oil, some olive oil into this pan to saute the peppers and the onion together. We're just going to saute them lightly. We're not going to make them too soft because we want a bite to them. Just going to lightly saute them for about a minute. I'm making that salsa. A tip I want to share with you is what I learned is to make your lime juicier, put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then it'll be easy to squeeze. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding the peppers and the onions that I sauteed lightly. I'm going to add the mangoes. These look so delicious. And I'm going to add some fresh cut parsley from my garden. And I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm going to add a little olive oil. Just a little light right up there. And I'm going to squeeze some lime juice over it. Yeah, this tip with the microwave really makes it easier to juice the lime. So I'm going to squeeze the other half. And this is a nice alternative to chicken if you want to make it, you know, because it's very light. And when spring comes in the summer, I like to eat light. I don't like a lot of hot food. We're going to add a little bit of pepper, not too much, just lightly. And we're going to add a little salt. That's it. And I'm going to mix it up, everything. Mix everything up. colors are so pretty. Look at that. The colors of summer. Well, it's spring now, but the colors of spring and summer. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna pour this over the chicken and we'll be ready to eat. Well guys, this is my finished dish. Look at how pretty the colors are. Look at that, the colors of spring and summer. Well guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. God bless. Goodbye.